Guys, how fun if you took that one? It's because it's the ugly one, isn't it? Well, I mean, come on. At least try these. Let me know what you think of it. Abu, come on. Stitch. Stitch. Guys, you guys are embarrassing me. Come on. Just not used to the company. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Chic and Cook. Now, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing Cakesicles. So, I mean, I don't know if you guys have seen kind of on Instagram or if you go to kind of, if you've ever been to an afternoon tea, but they kind of look like, you know, like a Magnum ice cream. So they look like ice creams, but they're cake. And I mean, for me, I don't know, the little things kind of excite me, but I've always been so fascinated with that and I've always wanted to try it myself. So today we're going to be making it together. Let's go. Oh, and two things. One, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And two, to all the kids out there, especially you, Neo and Silva, I want to see you guys trying this as well. So let's go. Okay, so what we're going to need for the ingredients today are some cake. Now, this is about 250 grams of cake. This is just kind of, I just picked any cake. This one's slightly sticky, but you can use any cake. Honestly, you can use a birthday cake from a few days ago. You can just buy any cake from the shop and it will work. So I'm just going to use any cake. This one I've got here some golden syrup, Lyle's golden syrup pudding cake. And we're just going to crumble this up. I've got 350 grams of chocolate. Now I'm using white chocolate, but you can use any chocolate that you want. I just like the color that the white chocolate is going to give us. And I've got here 140 grams of vanilla buttercream. Now, again, with the buttercream, you can use any buttercream. You can use chocolate, vanilla, whatever flavor you want. And we're just going to mix it all together. Melt the white chocolate for us to actually decorate. And that's it. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is take our cake and crumble it into the bowl. For all of you non-wasters out there, don't worry. This is going to be eaten later.
Well, then you don't judge me. I'm going to suck on the cellophane from the brownie I had before.
Okay, I'm going to use my hands. I'm just going to crumble the cake. Okay, so what you want to do is just, as soon as that's crumbled, you want to just make sure that there's kind of no big clumps. Just kind of make it as crumbly as possible. And then this is nice and ready. And we're just going to add in our buttercream. Okay, so now what you want is you want to get this kind of desired sticky consistency, so that way it's going to clump together really nicely. And if you want, if it's a little bit too crumbly still, you can just add a little bit more buttercream, or actually, you know, you can even use Nutella, just anything that's really thick and sticky to give that kind of stickiness with the cake. Okay, so simple as that. We're just going to start to make our molds. I'm just going to push this aside. Now, I just got this mold on Amazon. It was £7 on Amazon. You can get a mold like this. I got the mini one because I just thought it was so cute. But you can get the bigger ones, or if you don't want to use the mold at all, then you can just make cake pops if you want. But if you're going for the Cakesicle kind of shape, then I mean, Amazon, eBay, they're your friend, y'all. Okay, yep, so now I'm just going to do another one. Same thing. Just going to fill the mold. Okay, so we've got our molds done for the first 4, and you can see that I've got enough here that this should make maybe at least another 3, potentially even another 4. But you want to make sure that it's quite compact, So that way the sticks are going to go in perfectly and it's going to set perfectly. Now, I've got some sticks here because, I mean, obviously I got the packet that catered for us. So it came with the sticks as well actually. And all we're going to do is stick the sticks in here. And you just want to make sure that you got the stick in nice and firmly. And then just do that for all of them. Now, these are all perfect and ready to pop into the freezer. So what we're going to do is pop these into the freezer for about 15 minutes just to harden up, and then take it out, and then we're going to melt our chocolate and start decorating, coating it in that chocolate. So let's go. Okay, so we've just taken them out of the freezer, and all I'm going to do is just coat them in the white chocolate, and they're going to be ready to decorate. I mean, the white chocolate is the decoration, but you're going to be able to put all of your sprinkles and anything like that, and then they're going to be ready to eat. Perfect. Okay. So I'm just going to do the first one, and then I'm just going to decorate them all. Just going to dip them into the white chocolate, get it completely coated. Okay, so now this is all decorated up. All I did was I dipped it into the white chocolate, and then what I actually did was I actually coloured some of the white chocolate pink after I was finished, just so I could drizzle it across the top. But you guys don't even need to do that. I mean, you can add sprinkles, you can add marshmallows, anything you want to just decorate it and have a bit of fun with it. Now, I mean, this is easy. I mean, no room for error. I mean, unless you guys are wondering where the fourth one is. Do want to show you guys this one because my sister decorated it. Okay, fine, I decorated it and it's ugly. This is the ugly one. So you can see, nobody's perfect. It's got character. That's what Phoebe would say. She would say it's got character. This is the one that you're supposed to. No, it's just ugly. But that's not important. I'm sure it still tastes good. So, with that in mind, let's do the taste test. I'm gonna pick the pretty one. Okay, so now I'll show you the camera. You can see that. So cute, honestly. I'm just gonna. You can see that? This is so good. So cute. This is really good. You can actually see how big of a bite I took this time because the evidence is there. Trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just something a bit of fun to do with the family. Anyone can do it. And I mean, like I said, it tasted good as well. But if you guys did like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for a new video every Tuesday. So for now, I hope you guys stay safe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys! Everyone say bye guys! They're very shy. That's it, I'm not having any more. No, don't even give me that lip stitch. And your eyes are closed as well.